3, 2, 1, go.
This is when we find out if our Red Alliance can take it all the way or if our Blue Alliance can keep it going to a third match. We got some autonomous modes. Looks like I see an autonomous gear being delivered on both sides. It's placed in simultaneously, both teams earning that autonomous bonus. So we're an even 75-75 when we move into the teleoperated period. Could be anybody's game. It's going to be who can deliver the gears fastest. Quicksilver, they've got one over on the red airship, getting it lined up, preparing to deliver. And over on blue, Bay Orangutans, they're lining up on that center davit, and it's a successful delivery by the Blue Alliance. Looks like they're ready to get that second gear on the gear train, and rotor number 2 is up and running for the Blue Alliance. They're pulling ahead into 115. Here comes rotor number 2 for the Red Alliance. Our pilot, she's spinning up that gear train, and there goes rotor number 2 for the Red Alliance. They're tied up. But they're not tied up. Red Alliance has earned 1 pressure point, 1 kPa in that boiler. That could make the important difference in the event of tied up in the gears. 2 more gears being delivered over to that Blue Alliance. They're only 1 gear away from that third rotor. Red Alliance trying to catch up and make the difference. Lots of interference there. 8-12 in the middle. Midnight Mechanics countering some interference as they bumped into the Robo-Rocket bots. They've got a gear in their machine, but they weren't quite able to load it into that airship. Blue Alliance has rotor number 3 spinning. They're up to 155. Red Alliance pulling ahead. 2 Red Alliance robots encountering each other there, blocking that Blue Alliance robot from exiting around the airship in that direction. 47-65. Power-Up's going to need to try a different strategy. They're being boxed in by Quicksilver. And the Robo-Rocket bots there behind that red airship. Either his team's looking to try to get 1 more gear train spinning for an extra 100 points. It could make all the difference. But now we're on our last 30 seconds. And it's a 101 point difference. So these climbs could make the difference. All these pilots are dropping the lines, waiting for these robots to climb. I see 2 robots in the air, 2 red robots in the air, 3 red robots in the air. We got 1, 2, 3 red robots ready for takeoff. 1 blue robot, 2 blue robots ready for takeoff. 47-65, make it all the way up. Power Up, trying to power through as 1 second remains, and 0. 5 robots ready for takeoff at the end of semifinal number 2. These airships taking flight as we have our official scores. Looks like the Red Alliance crossed that finish line first with a final score of 406. It is a high score of the day, helped in part by those 100 penalty points.